one thing I do see kind of pre-shot that I want to deal with is a little bit of ball position action. Right now you kind of went back and forth from where you put the ball in your stance. I want to see a little bit more consistency right about the middle of your stance for pitch shots, okay? And then for the in-swing, kind of something I saw is get a little handsy with your pitch shots.
Okay.
So you're using a little bit too much hands, and that can kind of add to that inconsistency with your distance control. So one thing I want you to work on here with the next couple of shots is kind of turning your body, using the club with your shoulders. The shoulders are the driving force of the swing.
Okay.
All right, so instead of really coming up here and using a lot of hands, I want you to kind of see a little bit less limited hand action, a little bit more of an emphasized shoulder turn. Really work on that. All right, so let's see a couple practice swings here and then step up, hit this ball to the same spot. Alright, so right off the bat I see a few things we could work on here. Definitely the 3 or 4 shots you hit there were a couple fades. A couple things I do see is first the takeaway, you're taking it a little bit inside. What I'd like to see is a little bit more, if I get a club here, I'll do this left-handed since I'm left-handed, but what I want to see is a little bit more maybe outside the hands. Of course, ideally we want to get the club directly in line with the hands, but maybe for your sake, a little emphasis of keeping the club a little bit more outside as opposed to getting it inside. Because when that club gets inside, get to the top, and then you have just a little tiny over the top motion. Yep, and you kind of just slide across, and that's what creates that fade. So if we want to hit that draw, we want to start it a little bit more outside, drop it a little bit more into the slot, come in a little bit more shallower, and get that nice little draw going.